हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट। अपेक्षार अंत घटी जो स्टूडेंट माने जो छात्र छात्री माने प्रथम श्रेणी रे थिले एवं स्कूल को पाद देइथिले से एबे तृतीय श्रेणी रे पाद देबे। प्रथम श्रेणी रु तृतीय श्रेणी को पाद देवा पई दीर्घ 18 मास पर्यंत छुट्टी रे रहिले घरे। तेबे आसंतु खुशीर खबर 25 तारिख रु अष्टम श्रेणी खोलुछि। तेबे आगामी दिन रे पर्यायक्रमे प्रथम रु सप्तम मध्य खोलिबार संभावना रही। तेबे आसंतु जानिनेबा अष्टम श्रेणी किपरि खोलिबो तार गाइडलाइन देखंतु। रीओपनिंग ऑफ स्कूल फॉर क्लासेस स्टैंडर्ड 8th एंड 11th फॉर द एकेडमिक ईयर 2021। देखंतु 21 तारिख अक्टोबर मास 2021 रे हायर सेकेंडरी 11th क्लास खोलिबो एवं 25 तारिख अक्टोबर मास रे अष्टम श्रेणी खोलिबो। तेबे देखंतु बोथ ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन क्लासेस विल कंटिन्यू। उभय ऑफलाइन एवं ऑनलाइन क्लास हेबो एंड द स्टूडेंट्स attend the offline classes in consultation with their parents को consultation बा परामर्श रे से माने ऑफलाइन क्लास बा स्कूल आसीबे। द एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन अंडर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कंट्रोल ऑफ STSC डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट एंड सोशल सिक्योरिटी एंड एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ पर्सन with disability may also reopen classes from the above date following the SOP and prescribed by this department। तेबे हॉस्टल स्कूल गुडी को मध्य ओपन हे पारे। नो कुक्ड MDM will be served to the student of class 8th। in lieu of that dry ration will be provided to the student as being provided earlier। तेबे MDM रंधा हेबनी, तांकू ड्राई राशन चाउल जोगाई दिया जिवो। The hostels for the above classes will also be open from the date of reopening of school following the protocol and social distancing norms। However, parental consent is mandatory for the students who want to stay in the hostel। The common area of the hostel including the mess should be frequently sanitized and the earlier SOP issued by this department for management of hostels should be followed scrupulously। The orders guidelines issued by the health and welfare department and SRC should be followed strictly। The decision of the collector district magistrate for reopening of school taking in the local condition into account will be final। A detailed SOP prepared by this department under school reopening plan for class 8th and 11th is enclosed herewith for guidance। तेबे किपरि SOP रही ताहा देखि नबा। लुक ओडिशा स्कूल रीओपनिंग प्लान 2021-2022 for classes 8th background। This is regarding reopening of schools under school and mass education to pandemic situation arising out of this condition। All government and private school including hostel were closed and subsequently after improvement in the situation government have been pleased to reopen school for class 9th 10th and 12th। Now after further improvement in the situation it has been decided to reopen the class 8th and 11th। This SOP is meant for the student class 8th and 11th of schools coming under jurisdictions of schools and mass education department। Overall guiding principle: online distance learning shall continue to be the preferred mode of teaching and shall be encouraged। ऑनलाइन एवं डिजिटल लर्निंग को एनकरेज करा जिवो, प्रोत्साहन दिया जिवो, ताकू उत्साहित करा जिवो। Where schools are conducting online classes and some students prefer to attend online classes rather than physically attend school, they may be permitted to do so। Online and classroom learning will go in tandem with each other and should continue to share timelines and daily schedules to ensure synchronizations। Students may attend schools institutions in consultation with their parents। Guardians attendance must not be एनफोर्स तेबे तांकु बाध्य कराଯିवनी पेरेंट्स को परामर्श क्रमे से माने आसीबे ऑनलाइन क्लास जो स्टूडेंट करबा को चाहेबे प्रिफर करिवे तेबे तांकु परमिशन दिया जिवो ओके तापर द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर विल हैव द फाइनल अथॉरिटी टू टेक डिसीजन इन दिस रिगार्ड्स टू द टाइम and method of school reopening in exceptional circumstances for all the school in the district तापर standard operation procedure SOP for health hygiene and other healthy protocols before opening school कौन करा जिवो guidelines on the school opening and attendance of the teacher student staff only school outside the containment zones shall be allowed to open containment zones रे allow करा जिवो for the student teacher or employee living in containment zones will not be allowed to attend the school students तेबे आउटसाइड द कंटेनमेंट जोन रो स्कूल गुडी को ओपन करा जिवो ओके तापरे देखंतु विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू अटेंड द स्कूल से कंटेनमेंट जोन रे स्कूल अलाउ करा जिवोनी स्टूडेंट टीचर एम्प्लॉय शैल बी एडवाइज्ड नॉट टू विजिट एरिया फॉलिंग विदिन तेबे containment zones due to the dynamic nature of the situation this decision will be taken by the district collector will also direct relevant school to immediately shut down in case their zone is declared as in containment zones prior to resumption of activity all work area including furniture library laboratories storage place water tank kitchen washroom toilets and other area of common use shall be sanitized with particular attention to frequently touch surface school may not or reopen without 100% access to potable drinking water adequate functional toilet for all students any school without access to the above must first make these arrangement before reopening tebe toilet रहिबा कथा adequate toilet रहिबा कथा drinking water facility थिबा कथा तबे जे स्कूल गुडी को reopening by fit तापर school provided transportation should also be discouraged to reduce risks parent must ensure that they take responsibility of the child commute to school where playing transport facility may run at maximum of 50% capacity with adequate sanitization before picking up and after dropping students high risk staffs members with severe ailments and underlying condition must take extra precautions no students should be coerced to come to school only those parents and students who feel comfortable attending school should do so तबे जो पेरेंट्स माने चाहिए से माने से पिलांको allow अच्छी provisions to be made inside schools for ensuring social distancing and quick management inside at the entrance of premises specific making on the floor ground with a gap of 6 feet should be made तबे 6 feet gap रहिबा कथा inside classrooms students should be made to sit at safe distance alternate desks fixed seating should be ensure a particular seat space should be earmarked for each student for example based on the roll number so that there is limited exposure to other student physical space similarly physical distancing shall also be maintained in staff rooms and other common area library okay with relevant making as required if available temporary space or outdoor space in case of pleasant weather may be utilized for conducting classes keeping in view of the safety and security of the children physical distance protocols there must be adequate soap liquid soap or solid soap and running water in all washrooms toilets hand sanitizers etc for the teachers students staff must be available mandatory in each classroom students should be encouraged to sanitize their hands when entering and leaving classroom and toilets any staff entrusted with cleaning sweeping duty must be informed and trained about the cleaning sanitization process as well as general norms for waste management and disposal the school should display state helpline numbers and also number of local health authorities etc to teachers students employees to contact in case of any emergency other poster related to prevent measures must also be displayed a separate isolation room has to be marked in the school kept ready this room may be used in case any student or staff develop symptoms the Composite school grant under Samagra Shiksha may be used for purchase of all relevant cleaning sanitation material. If required, the help of the local Panchayat Raj institutions may be sought for. Development of calendar of teaching and permissible activity inside school कौन रही देखंतु calendar teaching पे every school must determine how to run the school basing the number of students and number of size of classrooms available. Maximum 25 students should be allowed to sit in a classroom to ensure safe distancing among students. For a school with an adequate number of classrooms, all students can be asked to come on a daily basis. School timing as mentioned in order should be followed depending on category of school mentioned in the table. Recess break should be staggered for different classes to ensure there is no overcrowding at common space and toilets. Students should be encouraged to bring healthy and nutritious food from home and should be advised not to share it with fellow students. Assemblies, sports events that can lead to crowding are prohibited. Gathering heବା to prohibit ମନା ହେବ ନିଷେଧ କରାଯିବ ଓକେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ପରସ୍ପର ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବଣ୍ଟା ନ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦିଆଯିବ no outside vendors should be allowed to sell any eatable inside the each of a school premises within 100 meter from entry gate and point. Syllabus for all classes as revised and communicated by the government should start from the beginning. देखो sanitization of teachers, parents, staff, member of school management committee before the opening of school. A meeting of all SMC members and any other parents who desire to attend the meeting shall be called by the head of school. HM माने SMC SMDC member मानंकु ने एक meeting करिवे. Okay, in this meeting a detailed discussion on the safety protocol must be held. Input of all members incorporated and consent taken from the SMC. Proceeding of the meeting must be recorded in the relevant register maintained in the school. तांकर resolution हेबो proceeding लेखा हेबो meeting रो तापरे register maintain करा जेबो. SMC must also be encouraged to walk around the school premises and ensure that all hygiene and safety precautions are there to their satisfaction. तेबे school premises भलो रहिबा कथा. All these information should also be shared with the parents community through the WhatsApp message or SMS. The message also include do's and don'ts that parents and student must follow. कौन करिबा कथा न करिबा कथा था जणाई दिया जिवो. Student can attend offline classes in consultation with their parents. Parents मानकर परामर्श रे बा consult रे आसीबे offline class. Study from the home through online mode मध्य करि पारबे. तापरे स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ SOP फॉर हेल्थ देखंतु मॉनिटरिंग टीम टू बी मेड along with SMC. Every school must have a monitoring team comprising of one teacher and one parent member from SMC. Monitoring team रहिबो SMC रु जणे एवं टीचर जणे. The responsibility of the monitoring team will be to ensure health and hygiene within the school. This team will come to school 30 minutes early and leave 30 minutes after school hour at ensure full cleanliness and sanitization in school. सेही दुई जण कोन करिवे स्कूल आधा घंटा आगरु आसीबे एवं परे आधा घंटा परे जिवे. Emergency response have a clean plan in place of contingencies and take action any time there is an emergency or risk in school. In addition, the team will also support the HM for preparation and implementation of the calendar, schedules and activity in the school. HM will decide the school schedule, calendar, take decision on academic activity with a key consideration towards ensuring the right balance between learning and safety of students. Continue to focus on regular learning at home for those students who are unable to come to school for any reasons. Okay, then देखंतु regular monitoring of hygienic sanitation inside the school किपरि हबो. School campus should be cleaned daily and daily record of area cleaned may be maintained. Note that the students should not be involved in any of the cleaning activity for health and safety reasons. Student माने health सफा करिवे नहीं. Okay, provision of soap in toilets, साबुन व्यवस्था रहिबो, hand sanitization रो व्यवस्था रहिबो. Okay, student and employees should be strictly advised to wear masks. Masks समस्ते पिंधबे. Not dispose of used face cover masks inside the school. School रे mask पकाइबे नहीं। ऑल स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्टाफ आर टू अराइव एट स्कूल वेयरिंग ए फेस कवर मास्क एंड कंटिन्यू वेयरिंग इट ऑल थ्रू स्पेशली व्हेन क्लास रे बाध्यबाधकता हिसाब रे मास्क परिधान थिबो समस्ते मास्क पिंधिबे। ड्यूरिंग एनी एक्टिविटी इन द ग्रुप्स केयर शुड बी टेकन टू एंश्योर एंड एजुकेट चिल्ड्रेन नॉट टू एक्सचेंज मास्क विथ अदर्स। मास्क रो एक्सचेंज हेबोनी। Mandatory hand washing for all students and staff at regular interval as per the plan protocol following physical social distance norm should be ensured. Hand washing time should be a minimum 40 seconds. Okay, 40 seconds पर्यंत hand wash प्रक्रिया चलिबो। Every child need to learn how to cough and sneeze into tissue, elbow and avoid touching face, eyes, mouth, nose. मुह आखि तुंड नाकू टच करेंगे नहीं जितेबाला आम खासवा काश बा स्नीज छिंक हेब से तार से नीड टू हाउ टू कफ किपरि खासवा को हेब तार प्रति ध्यान देवा। स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटिंग थ्रू पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट शुड बी एडिक्वेटली गाइड बाय स्कूल टू टेक ऑल प्रिकॉशंस सच एज फिजिकल सोशल डिस्टेंस, कवर नोज एंड माउथ with a face cloth, mask, sanitizing hands after touching any surface, etc. Students should not share any material with each other. Notebook, textbook, pen, pencil, eraser, tiffin box, water bottle सब exchange करि पारिबे नाही। स्टूडेंट माने स्पीटिंग शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली प्रोहिबिटेड। छेप पकाई पारिबे नाही। विंडो एंड डोर ऑफ द क्लासरूम एंड अदर रूम्स टू बी केप्ट ओपन फॉर वेंटिलेशंस। Regular health checkup of students, staff, employees should be organized by block district office with the help of local medical officer. This officer should conduct regular check through the school health program. तापरे social emotional well-being of the student. It is possible that many students may be coming back to school after suffering traumatic incident at home over the last few months. Teacher must keep an eye the emotional well-being of the student and take necessary supportive actions along with the parents when needed. A small sanitation sessions can be done for the teachers in regards before school reopening. SOP to be followed in a student, teacher, school staff develops suspected symptoms of COVID-19. In the event of any student or staff developing COVID-19 symptoms, the first step will be to separate the person from the rest of the people and keep the person in the isolation room in an isolated place inside the school premises. The school management must inform the parent guardian about the health of student. School management must immediately inform the nearest medical facility. Disinfections of the premises to be taken up in the person if found positive. The guidelines issued by SFC from time to time must be followed. Response according to the changing times. The extent and severity of this is evolving and changing with the time and also varies spatially from district to district. The response and safety protocol will accordingly need to be adjusted to this dynamic by the district from time to time. The district will adopting the measures suggested herein may plan additional measures depending on the local situation. District collector will assume this responsibility. All these are guidelines for reopening of class 8th. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you again soon.